and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you what you should do to remove the watermarks from your renders. Please remember the watermark only applies for trial users. As you can see, I just rendered an image, and because I am a trial user, there is a Rebus Farm watermark over the image. To remove the watermark, you would need to buy render points. For that, I will go to the Payment tab. Immediately, you will need to fill the missing information. Then, you will be able to proceed with the payment. To remove the watermark, you will need at least to buy 10 render points. You usually would click on Next and follow the steps to the payment procedure, such as PayPal or credit card, and so on. In this case, I will use a coupon that was only made for my account. Then, go back to the Control Center. Open the Detail view for the job. At the bottom right corner, you will see the Manage Upload and Download button. Click there, and then click on the Restart Download button. Then click on Overwrite All in the pop-up window. And now you will have a beautiful render without any watermarks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. Here are also some other videos that might interest you. To keep up to date with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.